Hi, it's Nick with KB Covers. Today I'm going to show you a quick video of KB Covers' popular Final Cut Pro 10 keyboard cover and how it works using a new MacBook Pro. Final Cut Pro 10 is a radical change from Final Cut Pro with completely different shortcuts. So if you're interested in learning about our Final Cut Pro keyboard cover, please check out our other video. We worked with certified Final Cut Pro 10 experts, professional video editors, and trainers to determine the most important shortcuts to include on our cover. The colors you see on the keyboard cover help organize commonly used functions within Final Cut Pro 10 into logical groupings. For example, your tools are in yellow, editing-related keys are in light blue, marking commands are in light green, and playback and navigation are purple. The primary shortcuts are located at the top of the key, and for Final Cut Pro 10, all you need to do is press the key to execute the shortcut. For example, pressing the C key once will give you Select Clip. Shortcuts which require the Command modifier key are denoted by the same color as the Command button. So to activate one of the keys in the top row here, just press Command and then the actual key that you want to use. Hunting for shortcuts within menus and help functions in Final Cut Pro 10 can be very time-consuming, but with KB Covers, you don't have to work that way anymore. All the most important Final Cut Pro 10 shortcuts are right here at your fingertips, and that can really speed up your workflow. In addition to speeding up your workflow, KB Covers also protect your Mac from dust, dirt, spills, sticky hands, hair, crumbs, and whatever else might come into contact with your keyboard. KB Covers are built to the specific standards of each keyboard layout. Once you put it on, you will immediately notice how snugly it fits on the keyboard, so there is no need for any adhesives or glues with a fit this good. This particular keyboard cover will also work on all MacBooks, MacBook Pros, 13-inch MacBook Air, and an Apple's wireless keyboard. KB Covers colors are heat infused, so they won't crack or chip, and are designed for long-lasting durability. Thanks for taking time to watch our video. We are certain you'll enjoy the usage and feel of KB Covers' Final Cut Pro 10 keyboard cover. In fact, we guarantee it. So be sure to check out all of our applications, foreign languages, and colorful designer keyboard covers on our website at www.kbcovers.com. Thanks for watching.